NEET-PG cutoff /to 0 for reserved candidates, sparks row. UGC mandates equity panels to curb caste bias on campuses. 5 years on, Uttarakhand nursing aspirants still await promised exam. Scotland's University of Aberdeen opens Mumbai campus, JEE QET not required. Delhi unveils 350 crore rupees policy to fuel student startups. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Pavitra reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: the National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences has cut the NEET-PG 2025 qualifying percentile to 0 for SC, ST and OBC candidates for the third counselling round. Even applicants scoring -40 out of 800 can now compete for vacant MD and MS seats. For the general category, the threshold has been lowered to the 7th percentile and for persons with disabilities to the 5th. NBEMS said the move followed directions from the Union Health Ministry. Doctors say it dilutes standards and may help private colleges sell seats. After 2 counselling rounds, the MCC added 540 resigned seats and 135 new ones, taking the tally to 32,215, schedule awaited. Experts divided. The University Grants Commission has notified the Promotion of Equity in Higher Education Institutions Regulations 2026 to tackle caste and social discrimination in colleges and universities. All institutions must now set up equity committees with representation from OBC, SC, ST, persons with disabilities and women to address complaints. The final rules dropped the draft provision on false complaints and related penalties after objections from student groups. Committees must act within 24 hours of a complaint and submit reports in 15 working days, with institutional heads bound to respond within 7 days. The regulations also mandate equity helplines, vigilance squads and national monitoring. Non-compliance can lead to denial of UGC grants. Over 4,500 nursing graduates in Uttarakhand continue to wait for a recruitment exam announced in 2020 to fill nearly 3,000 government posts. Despite the state's claim of providing 26,000 jobs in 5 years, the nursing test has not been held, leaving aspirants in uncertainty. Many have crossed age limits for other opportunities, while others survive on temporary private jobs without security. Candidates say repeated assurances have brought no results and staff shortages in hospitals make the delay unjustified. Officials cite procedural hurdles but offer no timeline. Experts warn such delays risk loss of skilled workforce as frustrated youth look outside the state. The 500-year-old University of Aberdeen has launched admissions for its first India campus in Mumbai, with classes set to begin in September 2026. The institution will offer UK-accredited degrees in business management, economics, data science, computing science, and MSc in Artificial Intelligence and an MBA. Admissions will follow a holistic merit-based process without mandatory JEE or QET scores. Fees start at 12 lakh rupees for 4-year degrees, 14 lakh rupees for MSc AI and 17 lakh rupees for MBA, with an automatic 2 lakh rupees Aberdeen Pioneer Scholarship for applicants before 31st January. The Powai campus promises academic parity with Scotland, identical degree certificates and optional semester mobility to the UK. Delhi Education Minister Ashish Sood has launched the Delhi Startup Policy 2025 with a 350 crore rupees fund to support young entrepreneurs over 5 years. Announced at the Delhi Startup Yuva Festival, the plan offers equity-free seed grants, mentorship, investor access and incubation with a goal to nurture 5,000 startups by 2035. 6 ventures received 10 lakh rupees each and 100 teams got 1 lakh rupees grants, while 5,000 school teams were given 20,000 rupee seed support. Over 20,000 students attended the festival showcasing innovations like disaster response app, Jatayu, biodegradable pad, Flush SHE, and AI eye care tool, Drishti Raksha. The event will now be held annually.